Increasing demands on plant performance puts increasing pressure on machinery. To avoid unnecessary downtime, equipment needs to be monitored more often. As less time and resources are available for manual walkarounds, automation is crucial. Now there's a new way from SKF to achieve reliable rotation, powered by cloud-based IoT solutions and AI-driven analytics. And a new way to purchase it, reducing your risk of investment, accelerating improvements in the efficiency and effectiveness of your maintenance program, and moving your funding from capital expenditure to operational expenditure. As a first step in this journey, you can now replace manual walkarounds with a scalable network of wireless SKF Enlight Collect IMx-1 sensors to monitor semi-critical and balance of plant machines. Automated machine monitoring lets you collect more data from more machines by measuring intervals of days or hours rather than intervals of months or weeks. It also makes monitoring possible even in hard-to-reach, dangerous or remote locations. With IMx-1 sensors, you can reduce installation costs and get a quick and scalable deployment, and quickly gain better insights into your plant assets and avoid impending plant failures before they occur. And when you need expert advice, you can connect to SKF knowledge located in our global network. SKF Enlight Collect IMx-1, automating machine monitoring for reliable rotation.